Good day, my students at home. Today we have a topic titled Reproductive System in Mammals. Before we go to the topic, what is system? Remember when I taught you people in SS1 the levels of organization of life? I told you that a system consists of two or more organs that work together to achieve a particular purpose. So we are talking about the different organs that work together to bring about reproduction in mammals. And what is a mammal? A mammal is a creature or an animal that has the ability of giving birth to a young one alive and breastfeeds the young one, unlike organisms like reptiles, fishes that lay eggs. So let's go into the lesson proper. Today we will be looking at the male reproductive system in humans. We have the females, we have the males, but today we will be concentrating on the male. Now, the male external genitals are the two scrotal sacs and the penis. The scrotal sacs and the penis are the ones you can see. All others are embedded inside the body. Now, the scrotal sacs contains the testes. Now, in a young male, two testes are present. But as the individual keeps growing, that is at puberty, each testis descends into a sac called the scrotum. That's the singular, but plural, the scrota. So when at puberty, these testes will descend into that sac, forming a sac which we call scrotum or scrota, plural. Okay, now each testis consists of hundreds of compartments, each packed with many tiny called tubes, which we call the seminiferous tubules. Now, these seminiferous tubules, the cells lining these tubules gives rise to the production of sperms. The seminiferous tubules join to form larger tubules which eventually form the epididymis. Okay, this epididymis stores the sperms. This leads into a muscular vas deferens. Or you can call this vas deferens the sperm duct. The sperm ducts, one from each testis, open into the urethra. This urethra is a structure, a canal, or a tube that conveys urine and sperm to the exterior. So the sperm ducts one from each testis open into the urethra. Okay, then we have another structure we call the ancestral glands. These ancestral glands help the urethra and the sperm duct to work. Okay, now those ancestral glands include the seminal vesicles, the prostrate glands, and the Karp's glands. They add secretions to the sperms, which aid sperm mobility, provide nutrients, and neutralize acidity produced by any urine present in the urethra. So these organs, the seminal vesicle, the prostrate gland, the Karp's gland, they produce secretions that is added to the sperm, and when these mix together, you form what we call the semen. Now, the next structure is the penis. The penis is the part of the urinogenital system. Why is it so? Because it helps to convey urine and sperm to the exterior, and it is also useful in penetrating the female genital tract. Now, and its surface is sensitive to touch. This sperm we are talking about is very sensitive to touch, and we have the part that is most sensitive. That part that is most sensitive is called the glans penis, and this glans penis contains the urethral opening. Okay, now when the penis is flaccid, what do we mean by flaccid? You know, when the penis is sexually sensitive, it enlarges and becomes very strong. Okay, but when it is not sexually sensitive, it will the length will reduce, and then it will become flat. It will become soft at that moment. So we say it is flaccid. So when the penis is flaccid, the glans is covered by a retractable foreskin called the prepuce. Now, this foreskin is that portion of the penis that is usually removed surgically after birth. Okay, now all these things I've been talking about are represented in the diagram you see on the board. Now, this is the part we call the scrotal sac or the scrotum. Inside this scrotum you have the testis. The testis contains this tubule. So everything I have explained here are all contained in this diagram. This diagram summarizes it, but in case you are still confused, in case there's any aspect you don't understand, when we resume, we will treat the diagram better. Before we call it a day, here is your assignment. Draw and label fully the male reproductive system in man. 2. State the functions of any four named parts shown in one above. I love you all. Make sure you do my assignments and continue to stay safe. Bye for now.